Yo, what's going on, guys? So before I begin, I just want to show you that I have a TikTok, Your Everyday Math Tutor. Um, if you have TikTok, go ahead and follow me there. I post the same content that I do here on YouTube, but I will be posting on other platforms. I also have Instagram, Your Everyday Math Tutor as well, so if you want to follow me there, you can. But anyways, let's get started with the video. Okay, so we have 2x minus 5y squared over 4y cubed minus x squared is equal to negative x, and we're tasked with finding dy dx implicitly. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, we're not going to use the quotient rule here, so we do have a variable on the right side of the equal sign, so we're just going to go ahead and multiply the 4y cubed minus x squared. So we're going to have 2x minus 5y squared is equal to negative x multiplied by 4y cubed minus x squared. And I'm just going to go ahead and take out this math thing. I don't know why they can't just, there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and 2x minus 5y squared is equal to, distribute this so that it becomes negative 4y cubed x minus x, or plus now, plus x cubed. And now we can go ahead and take the derivative, and that's going to be just 2 minus 10y. Because we took the derivative of y implicitly, we have to multiply by that dy dx is equal to, and over here we're just going to factor out a 4 and then go ahead and prime this one. So this is the one that we're actually going to take the derivative of, and then plus 3x squared. All right, so we don't do much here. We're going to rewrite the left side as 2 minus 10y dy dx is equal to negative 4. Here we're going to use the quotient rule, so y cube, or not the quotient rule, the product rule, what am I saying? The product rule, y cube prime x plus x prime y cube plus 3x squared. Nothing to do on the left side again. We're just going to go ahead and hold off on that one. If you want, I think you can start moving around the terms, but I'm not going to do that until I finish completely with differentiation. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this negative 4 out here. This is going to be 3y squared multiplied by dy dx, and then multiplied by x, plus y cube plus 3x squared. All right, so now that we're done with the derivative here on the right side, go ahead and distribute that negative 4. So we're going to have 2 minus 10y dy dx is equal to negative 12y squared dy dx times x, and then minus 4y cubed plus 3x squared. And now we can start moving around the dy and dx and keep all the other terms over on the right side. So we're going to be left with negative 10y dy dx plus 12y squared dy dx times x. And now on the right side, we're going to have just a minus 4y cubed plus 3x squared. And now it was a 2, but now it's a minus 2. Okay. And now we can factor out the dy dx and then divide the parentheses. So we're going to go ahead and factor it out. We have negative 10y plus 12y squared x is equal to negative 4. So you guys can still see that. 4y cubed plus 3x squared minus 2. Divide that. We get dy dx is equal to negative 4y cubed plus 3x squared minus 2 over the negative 10y plus 12y squared x. And this is our final answer.